Welcome to MoFitMeals. Are you ready for some banana bread? But not just any banana bread. I'm talking a protein banana bread. I am. Let's do this. Here's what you'll need. 2 bananas, almond flour, Kodiak cakes, protein packed, some pure sweetener, it's a stevia, high pure, sea salt. Extra protein is, I'm using core power. It's the vanilla flavored and I enjoy this. Some baking powder, some peanut butter. I use crunchy and it's from Trader Joe's. Some nutmeg and some ground cinnamon, both from Trader Joe's. I opt to use both vanilla bourbon extract and some banana extract to give it a little bit of banana punch. You can use one though, it's up to you. Let's get started. Banana bread mixture in my pan. I'm going to put it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see how it turns out. It's ready and this house smells delicious. Banana aroma everywhere. Look. Isn't she a beauty? Look at her. And it smells so good too. You guys have to try this at home. That was delicious. I can't wait till you try it at home. And tell me how you jazz up your banana bread. Please take a moment, subscribe. And if you like what you see, comment below. Thanks for watching and remember, stay MoFit.